there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. Today's topic will discuss downsizing from a financial perspective. So, what are the financial benefits of downsizing? Well, as I am sure you can imagine, there are quite a few financial benefits for you when considering when buying a smaller home. Benefit 1, reducing your monthly expenditures. Downsizing usually comes with a plethora of cutbacks on your financial spending. As you know, the bigger the house, the higher the costs in general. If you're spending $3,000 a month between your mortgage, insurance, taxes, utilities, lawn cutting, cleaning, home repairs, and more, then generally downsizing will cut this total expenditure down on average by 30%. That's $900 a month that you would save on average, which amounts to almost $11,000 a year. That is huge savings for you. Benefit 2, cash out your equity. Depending on how long you've owned your home, and if you have equity, oftentimes you can sell your home and walk away with a rather large check. The funds from your sale could go toward buying a new home so that you purchase it cash or have only a small mortgage, which could eliminate that payment from your monthly expenses altogether. Or you can use it to retire, invest in stocks and bonds, or travel the world. However you want to use your money, cashing out your asset provides a strong financial benefit to you. Benefit 3, lower real estate property taxes. Although this is on a case-by-case basis, generally speaking, buying a smaller home in the same area will lower your real estate taxes. This is because the amount you pay is calculated off of your purchase price. So the key to maximizing this benefit is not just buying a smaller home, but a cheaper home. If the price point is the same or a lateral move, or you buy a smaller but much more expensive home, then you would not reap this benefit. Benefit 4, less ongoing maintenance costs. Most people who are downsizing are going to purchase a home or condo in a community that requires less work. This could be work inside the home that needs to be done, like remodeling, or it could mean a condo where all the exterior is maintained and paid for by the homeowners association. It could also mean buying a new construction home and not having to worry about any of the main issues of homeownership, like a furnace or roof dying for another 15 plus years. Regardless of which community you end up in, generally speaking, you'll have less ongoing maintenance costs because you have less square footage. Not all benefits are financial. A few cannot have a dollar value put on it. A downsized home would be easier to clean, freeing up your personal time as well. By going through the downsizing process, you'll have less stuff in your new home and less stress overall. I hope you learned something new today and found this episode insightful. As always, if you think you may want to make a move in the next year, or you might want to consider downsizing, give me a call today and set up a consultation. I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. In addition, I work with a variety of contractors who can help with things like decluttering, estate sales, paint, carpet, handyman work, moving, and more. In addition, if I'm not able to personally assist you, don't worry. I'm part of a global real estate company and can find you a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. It will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel today and tune into next week's question, will I have to pay capital gains when I sell my house? You can also check out my other series on relocation, selling a home, buying and selling simultaneously, new construction, buying a home for the first time, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.